Police arrested a parrot for warning drug dealers. During a drug raid in Brazil, officers heard someone yell, "Run! It's the cops!" But when they stormed in, there was no sign of any gang member. As they searched the place further, they were shocked to see a tiny parrot from where the sound had come. It's sitting on the windowsill like it owned the place. The bird had been trained to alert the dealers anytime police showed up. No barking dog, no guy on the corner, just one loud, loyal, feathered alarm system. The cops actually arrested the parrot, booked it like a criminal. But here's the kicker. At the station, the bird went completely silent. Not a single word, not even a chirp came out of its mouth. Trained to scream when it mattered and stay quiet when it really mattered. The ultimate no-snitch. Legend has it, the parrot is still locked up in prison from when